discuss the what is the accident and incident reporting system and how is it working. Accident and incident, an incident or incident reporting has a formal documents used to record, investigate, and analyze any workplace accident. An incident near miss, injuries, property damage, or environmental spill. The purpose is to identify the root cause and preventive measurement. So, for example, I give you one scenario for the incident. For example, if you're working as a safety officer or as a safety supervisor in the workplace, and there is a incident has happened, so how you can make RCA, the root cause analysis, and incident investigation. So, for example, a chemical spill by a forklift operator. Incident description: a forklift operator was transporting chemical containers from the container yard to the storage area. During the operation, the operator failed to observe and obstructing properly, and the forklift wheel struck a chemicals container. As a result, the container was damaged and chemical leakage occurred, causing an oil and chemical spill in the workplace. So I such type of incident has happened on the workplace and the storage area. So what is as a safety officer and supervisor, how you can make a report? I also give you a scenario. So immediately action as a safety officer. So what type of action you can take as a safety officer if you're present in such type of workplace and there is a chemical spill occur? So the first step is stop the operation. Stop all nearby work activities immediately. Isolate the affected area. Prevent unauthorized person from the entering the spill zone. And second step is to activate an emergency response, inform the emergency response team, ERT team members, control and contain the spill using spill kit, and refer to the material safety data sheet, MSDS or SDS, for handling the instruction. So the most important thing for in the second step, you require to inform the ERT team members. So every company they have their ERT emergency response team members to coordinate with them and inform them to come and control the chemical spill. And the second thing is to that team will be use spill kits, spill pillows, and other things for cleaning up. And the third one is the MSTS. So the ERT team must use and check the MSDS to check how, what type of chemicals and what is the controlling environment. So the third step is to notify the management, inform the supervisor and site management, escalate the incident according to the company procedure. Fourth step is the official communication. Send an official incident notification email to the management, including a date and time of the incident, location of the incident, incident description and immediate action taken, and current status. The fifth step is investigation. So, secure the evidence, take photographs, collect the eyewitnesses' statements, and also review the CCTV footage. To prepare the RCA and RCA report. RCA means root cause analysis report. So the first thing is incident information, date and location, department, person involvement, and equipment involved. So witnesses statement. The second one, uh, like record statement from a forklift supervisor, eyewitnesses, ERT team members. So the example which I already showed you, while transporting the chemical containers to the storage area, I did not notify the obstruction near to the route and accidentally struck the container causing a leakage. So this is like the forklift operator statement. The third thing is the evidence collection, CCTV footages, photograph, inspection records, training records, and forklift checklist. So, for example, if the as a safety officer, you can make RCA report, so you can make same like this incident description, which I already give you the example. On 2nd February 2022, at approximately 10:15 a.m., a forklift operator was transporting a chemical from the container yard to the storage area. During the transportation, the operator failed to maintain a proper visibility and stock a chemical containers. The impact causing damage to the container and resulting in chemical spill. So the emergency team was immediately created and a spill was safely contained. So the root cause and cause analysis, immediate cause, forklift struck a chemical containers, a root cause, operator failed to maintain a proper visibility, unsafe driving practice, and equator route assessment. Contributed causes, uh, congested working area, uh, poor container placement, lack of spotter, etc. So, the conclusion for this incident, the investigation has concluded that the chemical spill occurred due to the impaired visibility and improper maneuvers of forklift. So the corrective and preventive action, reactive, preventive measurement have been implemented to prevent reoccurrence. All employees, including in the material handling operation, while receiving additional trainings and supervision. So, as a safety team members, you need to first go through the training, like the reorientation of the all forklifts operator and the all employees to ensure that such type of incident is not happen for the future. So thank you. If you are new to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.